Well, we finished the waterfall finally. This is what it looks like, all painted and everything, ready to go. By the way, let me flip my camera. Doesn't want to flip around. I don't know why. Anyhow, we finally got this sucker done. I put white paint on the ridges up top to imitate a mountaintop. And this is what it looks like. Unfortunately, I took away my machine, so we can't have the water running right now. But this is our waterfall. Built, finished today. These are the panels that we used right here. We just assembled the panels, put them together. There you have it. This is what it looks like completed. Took us a while, but we got her done. Thank God for that. See that mountain peak over there? Yeah. We got lights on it, both sides. So, beautiful waterfall. Coming to you live from Turner, Oregon at the Chandelier Vineyards. This waterfall exhibit is going to be for people that are coming to do some wine tasting, and they're going to have a switch across the pond over there, and that building will have a switch where you could turn the waterfall on and off, and they're going to have wine tasting over there inside there. This is a 1-acre pond that they built at Chandelier Vineyards, and they're setting up to have a wine tasting area, which this is going to be one of the centerpieces of the wine tasting area. Hope you guys enjoy. God bless you. If you need any work done, waterfalls, whatever, you can contact Dugybear Outdoor Living or Dugybear Hardscaping Services. And my phone number is 503-547-4467. I have another 661 area code phone number that I'll post below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye.